Morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. Okay, children. Now open your English textbook. In that you open page number 14. All of you open, children. In that lesson we are going to study about people around us. The lesson name is People Around Me. See, there is a family tree here. This is my family tree. My name is Sumant. Can you find out my family members? So in this page they are given some pictures about family. So we must find out the family members. Okay, children? See, they are given names also here. Narayan, Lakshmi, Sumant and Pavi. So they are all in one family. Okay, children? Next, they are given dash here. So my mother name is. So this boy name is Suman. So he is asking his mother name. What is his mother name? So his mother name is Lakshmi. Okay, children. Next, Pavi is my dash. So Suman's sister is there in the photo. So her name is Pavi. So Pavi is Suman's sister. So he is saying that Pavi is my sister. Next, my father name is Narayan. So he is asking that what is his father name? So his father name is Narayan. Okay, children. So Sumant mother name is Lakshmi and his sister name is Pavi and father name is Narayan. Next page. Let us listen. So listening text is at the end of the unit on page number 23. So I will tell you a story. Open page number 23. Okay, children? I'll read that story and you listen carefully. After listening this story, they are given here in this page number 15 some pictures, that is egg, and they are on the egg they are written the number, and after listening this story you want to color that egg with the color pencil. So first is yellow, second is blue, third is red with the white dots, and fourth grey with dots, five yellow with pink dot, sixth one black color and seventh one green color. Okay, children? Now open page number 23. Okay, children, all of you open the page number 23. See, in this page they given story about 9 little birds. So I'll read the lesson. Listen carefully. Okay, children? Mother hen and father hen lived in the thick of a jungle. Once mother hen laid 9 eggs in her nest. Dum 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 dum. She sat on the eggs for them to crack, while father hen collected food for mother hen. One fine day, mother hen told father hen to take care of the eggs and went to the nearby pond to drink some water. Just then, a strong gust of wind blew, shoo, 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 and the nest was broken. 8 of the 9 eggs rolled down and cracked. Only one egg remained. Father hen became sad. When mother hen returns, what will I say? He thought. Suddenly, an idea struck him. He went to the jungle. He collected 8 eggs different in colors and shapes. He quietly placed them in the nest. See here, in this story, it is a story about hen, mother hen, father hen and their chicks. So, this mother hen and father hen lived in a jungle. Where did they live? They lived in a jungle. And one day, mother hen laid 9 eggs in their nest. So how many eggs? Mother hen laid 9 eggs. So she sat on the eggs to crack that one. So when she was sitting on the egg, her father hen is there, no? He went to collect food for the mother hen. So next one day, see, this mother hen is there, no? She told for father hen that I'll go and drink water. You look after the eggs carefully. And this mother hen went to drink water to a nearby pond. So when she went outside to drink water, suddenly a strong wind blowed and the nest all fell down, and inside the nest there were eggs, no? So 9 eggs rolled down and it cracked. Only one egg was remained in the nest. So by seeing this one, the father hen became sad. So he thought that when mother hen comes home, what shall I say for her? The eggs were broken, no? He thought that what shall I say for mother hen? And suddenly an idea came to his mind. He went to the forest inside the jungle and he collected 9 eggs of different sizes and different colors. And he brought the 9 eggs and kept inside the nest. Next page. Day passed by, then babies began to emerge from the eggs, each one different in size and appearance. Their voices also sounded different. Quack, 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 caw, caw, trr, trr, gutter, goon, cree, cree, hee, ha, chee, chee. So, these were the different sounds of the chicks, of the eggs. Mother and father decided to take their family out to feed one day. As they neared a pond, quack, quack, uttered 2 of the 9 babies and jumped into the pond. They were ducks' babies. Seeing this, some crows began to caw. Another black baby with a long pointed beak flew away. It was a crow's baby. Just then, a pack of parrots flew over them in search of food. One more baby, green in color with a red beak, flew to join the pack. It was a parrot's baby. In front of them was a big tree with a flock of pigeons sitting idly. Another baby let out a gutter goon sound and headed in that direction. It was a pigeon's baby. As mother and father hen moved further, some kingfishers could be seen swimming on the other end of the pond. Flap, flap. The bluebird with a long beak helped and ducked into the pond just like the other birds. It was a kingfisher's baby. Then clouds overshadowed everything. Yet another baby spread its wings gleefully and started dancing. Ta tai tim ta tili tim. It was a peacock's baby. It became dark. Now the mother and father were left with 2 babies. They heard a weird sound. The 8th baby with big round eyes also flew into darkness. It was an owl's baby. Now only one child remained. It was a only chick. The parents sighed with relief. Crow, kurr, kurra, kurr. Chick also answered, kukro, kurr, kukro, kurr. This is a story and I will explain. So, the father hen brought the 9 eggs from the forest, no, and kept in the nest. So, day by day passed and the babies began to grow. So, each one of them was in different size and their appearance also different and their voices also were different. So, one was shouting, one chick was shouting quack, 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 another caw, 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 another trr, trr, gutter goon, cree, cree, and like this sound. So, this 10 chicks were making different sounds. So, one day this mother hen and father hen decided to go out for food. So, as they went near the pond, so 10 babies were there, no? In that 2 of them said quack, quack. So, they were duck babies. And next another one seeing, they saw these duck babies were there, no? They saw some crow and one in that one egg that baby was growing, no? In that one baby said caw, and it was a crow baby and it flew away. Next, so some parrots were coming there in search of food. Another one baby with green color it was there, and it had a red beak. So it was a parrot's baby, and it also flew away when the parrot. Mother parrot were there, no, so it also flew away. So in front of them, this mother and father and were coming for the pond now to find the food. There was a big tree. In that, so a flock of pigeons were sitting. So they were making sound guttergoon. By hearing this sound, another baby also flew away to join the pigeon. So it was a baby pigeon. So afterwards, this mother hen and father hen were moving slowly little. So they saw some kingfisher swimming in the water. So they were making sound flap flap. So another one baby also heard that sound and jumped into the pond. So it was a kingfisher's baby. So after in the evening, so some clouds were there. Rain was coming, and one baby saw that it was started dancing tatai tatai. So it was a peacock's baby, and it joined the peacock. So in the last it became dark. So now only two babies were there. So by then it became dark, no? Then they heard a sound like un. So in that two baby, the eighth baby it had a big round eyes. So it flew in the darkness. So only owl will fly in the darkness. So it was a owl baby. That in the last only one baby remained. So that was a chicken. So baby of a hen and father hen. So it also told kurakur, and this chick also answered kurkura. Okay children, now I will say in Kannada about this lesson. ಈ ಮದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತು ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಈ ಮದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣು 9 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆನ ಇಡುತ್ತೆ ನೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಡಮ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಊಟನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನನಗೆ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆನ ನೀರನ್ನ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗೋವಾಗ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದು ಆ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 9 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ತಂದೆ ಕೋಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೋಚನೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗೆ. ಫಾದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಗಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ 9 ಮರಿಗಳ್ನ ತರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಗ್ನ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಲರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಬೇಬಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮರಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಹಾವಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆನೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮರಿಗಳು. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಕ್ ಕ್ವಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಕ ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರರ್ ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗಟರ್ಗುನ್ ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೀ ಕ್ರೀ ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ 10 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮರಿಗಳು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ, ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಈ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೋಳಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೋಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಚೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಊಟ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಚೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪಾಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಕ್ ಕ್ವಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಂದು ಬಾತ್ಕೋಳಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆವಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಈ 10 ಮರಿಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮರಿಗಳು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಂದು ಬಾತ್ಕೋಳಿ ಬೇಬಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಗೆಗಳು ಕೂತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕಾಕ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಇನ್ನು 8 ಮರಿಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಂದು ಕಾಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಗೆ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕಾಗೆಗಳ ಮರಿ. ಸರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಗಿಳಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಊಟದ ಹುಡ್ಕೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಮರಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬೀಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ದು ಮರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಜನ್ಗಳು, ತುಂಬ ಪಿಜನ್ಗಳು, ಪಾರಿವಾಳಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗಟ್ಟರ್ ಗೂನ್ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಬಿನೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಪಿಜನ್ ಬೇಬಿ, ಪಾರಿವಾಳದ್ದು ಬೇಬಿ ಮರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೋಳಿಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ಸು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಜಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ಲಪ್ 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 ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಉಳ್ದಿದ್ದ ಮರಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮರಿ ಬಂದು ಪಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಂದು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಶರ್ ಮರಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಳೆ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ನವಿಲುಗಳು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ತಾತೈ ತಿಮ್ ತಾತೈ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಮರಿಗಳು ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೇಬಿ ಬಂದು ಈ ಪಿಕಾಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ನವಿಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನವಿಲು ಮರಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕತ್ಲೆ ಆದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 2 ಮರಿಗಳು ಆ ಕೋಳಿ ಮರಿ ಹತ್ರ, ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆನ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಮದರ್ ಹೆನ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಆವಾಗ 2 ಮರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮರಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ 8 ಬೇಬಿನೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೌಂಡಾಗಿ, ಅದು ಕತ್ಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬಂದು ಔಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಬಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಗೂಬೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಅಂತ. ಗೂಬೆ ಮರಿ ಕತ್ಲೆನಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು, ಅದು ಆರೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಕೋಳಿ ಹತ್ರ ಗಂಡು ಕೋಳಿ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮರಿಗಳು. ಆವಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಕುಕ್ಕುರ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ಬೇಬಿನೂ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? So shall I ask some questions, children? Okay, children. So where did the mother and father and lived, children? So they lived in the jungle. How many eggs did they lay, children, mother hen? They laid 9 eggs. So who went to collect some food for mother hen? Can anyone answer, children? So father hen went to collect some food. So one day when mother hen went outside, what happened? One day when mother hen went outside, suddenly a strong gust of wind blew and the 9 eggs rolled down and it cracked. Okay, children? So what did the father hen do at the time? So father hen went to the forest and he collected 8 eggs, and that was in different shape and sizes and colors, and he placed in the nest. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? So in the next class I will give you notes. Okay, children? Thank you.